Bara ya kuhitana na uhuthiri muuru wa nenda cia ukinyaniria riu niyoete mwerekera mweru thutha wa kurugurio gwa kamiti ya mwanya ameba ari maabitha kuma honge ngurani thirikari-ini na kibarua kinene gia kamiti ino gigukorwo ari gukurana na gutigirira ekuirwo ni matacukirio makinya ma kiwatho. Gukura kwa nenda nyingi cia ukinyaniria gucogeirie kuongerereka gwa ciiko cia andu kunyamario nenda-ini, andu kwihanania na andu mari gatu kana atongoria ngathi-ini itiganite na kuhuthira nenda ici gutheremia riboti cia maheni.
There are people in this society, you might actually call them, for want of a better phrase, cyber terrorists or social terrorists. Their job is just nothing but chaos. They wake up in the morning, they think about the number of lies they should say about Brigadier Ndikuhe. So they write all manner of things and so on.
Akiria hindi ya kuruguria kamiti ino, Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini Matiang'i augite Thirikari ndikuhe kanya aria makoretwo makihuthira nenda cia ukinyaniria guthararia thayo wa bururi, makiria muno akirongoreria ithurano cia mwaka ukite wa 2022.
Our challenge number one is the misuse and abuse of social media. That's what we are going to deal with.
There has not been a strong law enough to prosecute these people, and all we see is people being taken to court, and within a very short time the case collapses because we don't have appropriate law to support the allegations.
Matiang'i oho akiuria kamiti ino kunyitanira na honge ingi ari hamwe na ruhonge rwa magoti niguo kumateithiriria gutaukirwo na oho kunyita itemi hari kuhukia ciiko ici.
Let us move forward, as it were. And one institution that I think we should bring along with us is the judiciary, because the judiciary is a critical actor in dispute resolution, in our business development, whatever investments we are making, whatever conflicts we are going to have, they are fundamental.
Kamiti ino ya thugudirwo rungu rwa gicunji kia watho wa uhuthiri muuru wa mitambo ya kompyuta na nenda cia ukinyaniria mwaka wa 2018 niguo guteithiriria gukurana, guthuthuria na gutacukiria makinya ma kiwatho aria manyitikana na uhuthiri muuru wa nenda cia ukinyaniria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Gitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.